friends, welcome to another video. In this video we're going to make some super simple meatball subs. Let's put some hot dog buns in the oven 350 degrees for about 10-15 minutes. And then we're also going to boil up some spaghetti sauce in a pot. And then we're going to heat up some meatballs. You can put them in the microwave or in the oven or stovetop, whatever you'd like to do. I'm using my favorite seasoning I got from Costco on it, and I just put it in the microwave and they come out great. And then we're going to add it to the pot of boiling spaghetti sauce, just like this. Now the meatballs and spaghetti sauce is all ready. Now that the hot dog buns are done being cooked in the oven, we can now add the meatballs. Now that the meatballs is on the hot dog buns, we can add other things like shredded cheese or Parmesan cheese, chopped onions, whatever you'd like. This dish is for my husband because he does not like Parmesan cheese, and he cannot have onions, so his is just going to have shredded cheese on it, which is still absolutely delicious. And here is mine. I even added the crispy onion straws on top with the shredded cheese and the chopped onions. I just went all out and it is so delicious. Alright you guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you liked it. Give it a thumbs up, I'd really appreciate it. Share it and subscribe if you're new. I love to have you around longer. So thank you so much for watching. Please like, share, subscribe. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye now.